So today I'm going to show you the brand new Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day collection, and I'm super excited to try this out and swatch it and see how everything goes. And if you guys are interested in seeing everything, make sure you keep watching, subscribe to my channel, tap the bell, ring the bell, and that way you'll be given notifications for upcoming videos. So let's get started. Okay, so actually the reason why this is a little bit of a delay on the video is because I was waiting for my Kylie PR package to come. I had seen other people on YouTube and I'm like, where is it? And then I went and double checked and I remembered, I'm like, oh my goodness, that's right, I am not on the Kylie Cosmetics PR list. So I scrambled really fast. I bought it the day it came out. The bundle was $195, which is kind of pricey for me. I'm not gonna, lie. I would have loved to get it in the PR collection. I'm gonna work on that for you guys so I can show you even more Kylie Cosmetics stuff. But this is the cute, like, baby pink box that it came in. Alright, so this is a lippy kit, the Forever set. Oh, another lippy, okay. The Love set. Okay, and then there's a blush, it looks like, and I really love this packaging. Like, it's super pretty. This is the same stuff that would come in the PR collection. I just don't have that huge box. Okay, so this is a blush, so I'm really excited. I've heard a lot of good things about the blushes. Oh wow, there's even more stuff. This is a big collection this time. Okay, the pressed powder palette. This is an eyeshadow palette. Really excited to look and see how that is. Oh, and then also I've been wanting to try these from her. So she started making these glitter eyes. They're really pretty. Alright, and this is the glitter eyes. Okay, and this is in Roses Are Red. The blush is in Crush. So let's get to swatching because I'm like dying to rip open these packages and see what's inside. And okay, so first I'm actually gonna swatch this. Oh wow, that is pretty. Ooh. Okay, so this is the blush. And the whole bundle was $195. I think I told you guys that. This looks like, this actually might be a little bit too light for me. We'll see. Okay, and this is the palette. And we all love a wonderful mirror that comes with the palette. Okay, so first I'm swatching the darker shade. So that is Admirer. It's actually swatching quite nicely. That's First Date. Wow. These are really nice, you guys. Very highly pigmented. I can't believe it. I wasn't expecting them to be like this high quality. Woo! Look at that. That's called Candy Heart. This is February. Sort of like a baby doll pink. This next shade is called Pink Problems. It's sort of like a mauve. I don't know if you guys can tell, but these are like really nice. And then this is called Princess. It's kind of a tan color. They're very flaky. Actually, you can barely see Princess on my skin. It's like my skin tone. Exactly, almost. Okay, so now we're getting into the top row, which is like glittery shades, like shimmer shades, it looks like. This one's called, ooh, look at this, Love Bug. Hello. That's so pretty. You guys can see it on my finger. Maybe that'll be better. It's not really swatching very well. But you know, just because, see, you can sort of see it. Just because something doesn't swatch well doesn't mean it's not going to be pretty on, and a lot of people I think forget about that. Like, I think by now people are learning swatching is not like the be all and end all, but I don't know. Sometimes you can tell by swatching and sometimes you can't. So that I think is a beautiful shade even though it's not swatching well. That was called Kind of Classy. This next one is called Romance. The next shade is called Be Mine. That is really, really, really pretty. You have to give them a few coats for them to show up as well. Okay, this one's called Blood. Kind of like a bronzy gold. And then last but not least, this color called Heartthrob. We're just going to swatch the lippies and then we're going to get on to creating a cute little Valentine's Day look. Totally gorgeous. So everything swatches really well. So now we're going to create this look right here, spoiler alert, with the collection. So let's see what it looks like when we apply. Okay, so first I'm just going to go in with this bright pink color called Candy Heart. So I'm just going to put some powder right underneath my eyes in case there is any fallout. So I'm just gonna go in with First Date. I said it was Candy Heart, but it's actually First Date. I did put a little bit of base on first, and I just used the Louise base. And I'm just gonna tap that in over the lid. Yeah, there's a lot of fallout, so I'm glad I put powder on. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. This is actually really, really pretty, this First Date. It is very highly pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. I guess my only complaint would be that there is a whole lot of fallout. Like, normally I don't mind fallout, but this is kind of more than usual. Okay, so now I am going to go in with Candy Heart with that same Morphe 506 brush. You guys see like how much fallout there is? And I'm just going above the first stage. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this darker shade in a palette called Admirer. And I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take this color Pink Problems, and I'm just going to sort of pat it over the top, sort of like a mauvey pink, and right over there I'm going to put this cream color Princess. Actually are really nicely pigmented. I'm really liking this palette so far, you guys. Alright, now I'm just going to cut the crease with my P. Louise base. And now I'm just going to take my finger and go over that with this really pretty glittery shade called Love Bug. Okay, now I'm just going to go under the lash line with First Date. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with this color right here called Heartthrob. And I'm just going to step that into the inner corner right there. Alright, I'm just going to go in with this Glitter Eyes in the color Roses Are Red. Oh wow, that is really pretty. Okay, you guys, so far I am really super impressed with this eyeshadow palette. I'm loving the glitter eyes. I really like how pigmented the other shadows were. So I think now I'm just going to put some liner and some lashes on, and then we'll be right back to try out the blush that's in the collection. I'm super excited to try that out too. So I've heard a lot of good things about Kylie's blushes. Okay, so this is the blush that comes with the collection. It's called Crush. Like I said before, it looks like it might be a little light, but I'm going to try it anyways. What the heck? So it's kind of like a peachy, like a light peach color. That is actually really pretty. I thought it was going to be too light, but I don't think it is. It's actually kind of perfect. And yes, I am going in with an eyeshadow brush. Sometimes I'll use a blush brush, but like sometimes first I will go in with an eyeshadow brush just to place it in the exact spot that I want my placement of blush to be. And then I will go back in with a blush brush. This is actually really pretty. Yes, I love this blush. On it's not too light at all. Like looking at it, I would think it would be too light for my skin tone, but it's not. And I'm really loving it So I'm going in with the Forever set, and I'm gonna just line my lips. Yes. I love this collection so much. Alright, now I'm going in with the, what is this shade called? Built to Last. And they smell so good too. Normally I'm not like a big into fragrance, but okay. So now I'm actually going to use the Sparkle Gloss from the Soulmate set. So again, this is the gloss from the Soulmate set, not the Forever. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I had to throw on some festive stickies for the occasion. Everybody, I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. If not with somebody else, with yourself. Go grab something to eat, watch a movie, relax, and love yourself. So that's my quote for this wonderful Valentine's Day collection video is love yourself. And that being said, I don't know about you guys, I am loving this Kylie Valentine's Day collection, and I'm just in awe. What wonderful eyeshadow palette. I love the blush, I love the lippies, everything. I loved it all. It was a little bit on the pricey side for me, but I think it was worth it, and I'm going to continue to get more of her products and also hopefully be on the PR list for the next collection that comes out. Anyways, let me know if you guys have it at home what you guys think. Let me know what your plans are for Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.